Well, you've heard the saying before, you could be one accident or illness away from a financial catastrophe.
The numbers show nearly 30% of all Americans do not have life insurance. September is National Life Insurance Month, so we decided to learn more about it in today's Money Savers.
Today we're talking about the ins and outs of life insurance with Mark Ledson from the Wealth Enhancement Group. Life insurance isn't something we think about every day, but it is very important.
It is important. A lot of people put a lot of emphasis on creating financial plans, but equally important is making sure that we protect those plans as well, and just making sure that there's a smart place to get money. You know, I know a lot of times when people think about insurance, what they think about is who's it going to happen to? Who would die prematurely? Now, me and you know probably tomorrow we're both going to be around, but that's not the important thing. It's actually insuring against the consequences to our family. So the big thing for us is that we want to make sure that we're actually got the protection in place. If something did happen, that the resources would be there to make sure that those financial plans all stayed in effect.
And if you're looking at different policies and not knowing which is right for you, what sort of guidelines do you offer?
I tell you, the biggest thing is there's a whole myriad of different types of policies that are out there. Some of them are term, which are shorter term. It's basically, you know, what we want to do is insure for a year, 5 years, 10 years. Those can be good for people that have limited financial resources. But a lot of times people need permanent insurance as well. The best thing I can tell you is that in order to really have an effective plan in place, you need to have a couple of things. A, you need to know the amount that you need because you don't want to be overinsured as well. And, but then also know the different types of policies. Also look at the different types of carriers as well, because certain insurance companies are stronger than other insurance companies. And then the final thing is just, you know, determining the type, whether it's term or permanent insurance. And the best thing is just have a competent financial advisor help you out. All
right, well, thank you, Mark Ledson, for joining us and sharing those tips with the Wealth Enhancement Group. We have more information posted on our website at 12.tv/moneysavers.
Thanks, Shannon. And if you aren't sure how much life insurance you'll need, we do have a calculator linked on our website where you can get started.